Welcome to 170th Street in Washington Heights, Manhattan, very close to the A Express train on 168th Street, close to Columbia University and New York Presbyterian. Welcome to apartment 6L. Give you a good idea what the layout looks like here. It's a very big room. You could totally fit sofa, entertaining area, TV to the right, maybe a little breakfast bar or a chef's cart or something, an island on the left. Very bright up here. I'll step into the bedroom space. Another huge room, 2 closets. These closets are huge, maybe 4 feet back. We could step into the closet. Just to give you an idea how large this closet is. Same thing with this closet. Very big. Now, this is actually pretty bright, and the street is right outside, so one of my favorite things I love from this management is they replace your toilet seat. I think that's very classy. Some nice white tile in here. We're on a high floor elevator building. Pretty sleek. Again, built-in microwave, full-size stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. And I will show you right back out the window. High floor, great light, very good price. Check this place out. This is apartment 6L, priced $20,25 as of today. Message me for updates on pricing, availability. It's a great place. I got a couple in the building, and this could be your next home. Super bright. Look at this.